Luck number 15 is back. Earlier was playing a little bit more often. Let's see whether it will resume to appear as often at the very middle of this section. This is the middle of the session. 749 winners in total, guys. Congratulations. It's another low number as well and another blocking too. Congratulations. And betting time zone, you can bet again. Different type of the bets inside outside bets. However, only Sheeta bets can get multiplied. The very recent multiplier was on 23 3 games. TX. 13 black shows up, one of the coldest. Whether it will disappear from the coldest numbers list, let's see. It seems like it stayed there. 13 is taken third place of coldness. 760 winners back to tiers. Optimal, Ilham, Mediteo, so winners list. Coldest is still 29, 21. As well as there 13, 1 and 35. 35 are coldest. Without any dark numbers, guys, we've been playing for quite a while. Betting grid didn't get any this time as well. 24, 31, 34, 31 on the 50 axis. Number 5 tier section, first dozen. 799 winners, DBN, Queso, Carly, Minito winners list. Congratulations. 23 cent, 24 and 6. Now the name and numbers, you can bet again. Hello, yes, Raj, it's Latvia. Do you know Latvia? Have you ever heard about this cold but super fresh and refreshing country? 500x. Looks like this is number 14. 14 it is. Second color. Optima Medican, so and Cage, so winners list 1 and 20, 31 and 9 out of the numbers. Congratulations, watching barrels, ladies and gentlemen. You can bet again. Optima, so winner 6k for you. Gonna get 708 euros. Well done. Relay was getting 208 euros. Enjoy. New players slow. Good to see you. Have a nice Saturday. 12, 24, 12, and 500x. $29 black. 838. No, Goldie, Shield, and DCVN top winners list. Yep, 29 is from third escalation. The statistics for first of all, it's a color. Second of all, it's the high number. Before we did 25 low numbers, now it's 29, but it's definitely changing it. Observing and checking out the line and options, please. Appear. So let's check here. 25 and 4, 25 and 300 extra left. Check. Number 6, returns. 6 used to be one of the most popular numbers, by the way. So out of the 6 winners, that girl ran J.O. T. Vipo top winners. Let's 0, 6, 9, 15. The highest winner stakes, no dark numbers still. Final counting down, good luck. Number 7 and 20, 20 and 100, 10 and 100x as well. Let's go. Number 30. Tier section 36, 8 and 11, 15, number 13, number 5, 14, 29, 6, and 30. 10 winning results. Recent ones. Bets are closed. If by any chance you are not familiar with the page, let me check your screen. Left bucks.